Good morning. Good morning. Yes, class 10 students, good morning to all of you. Hello, yes, please quickly join. Very few have joined right now. Please join quickly. Well, I find Kishore with me, Himanshu Yadav, Gurjeet Kaur. Welcome, all of you. Please quickly, yes, please join Bhumika, Virender, Anushka Mittal, Pranav. Good morning. Mohammad Sajid, Mayank. Okay. Good morning, dear students. See, before I start today's live class, today is 22nd April and today we celebrated as Earth Day. This is celebrated as Earth Day, and for that we do a small activity before I start today's lecture class. See, I have prepared this board with a small drawing. This is what I could draw and to decorate my board for the day, Earth Day, and I have written a small message over there. I will read it. You please note it down. Because we are not in the Vidyalaya to celebrate it in our assembly, in this online class, we will spend few minutes to celebrate Earth Day. My dear students, please join quickly. Well, a good number of students have joined, so I start. I welcome you once again. Be in time. Yes. So, this drawing and the message on the board, it is Well, my message on the board reads, to leave the world better than you found it, sometimes you have to pick up other people's trash. I repeat it, to leave the world better than you found it, sometimes you have to pick up other people's trash. So I hope you understand the meaning. Sometimes we need to clean, we need to do what is being thrown by other people. If they have polluted it, they have made it dirty, we have to clean it. This is what we do in the Vidyalaya also. So keeping in mind the Earth Day, I will read the pledge for the day. It is Mata Bhumi Putraham Prithvi. Earth is my mother and I am the son of the earth. I, Smita, shall imbibe the spirit and pledge that I shall always preserve the earth and protect natural resources in my daily life. So, I shall always preserve the earth and protect natural resources in my daily life. With this pledge, we start our day. This is very important in these days. The surrounding news, that with the environment we are living in, we need to take care of the environment. We should keep in mind that we have not inherited the environment, but we borrow it from our children. So we should take a lot of care for this earth, this environment, to keep it clean, to preserve it. In these few days when the outside activities have been closed, you have come to know that the water of Yamuna river or in all the other rivers, they are so clean, neat. They have their self-cleaning process, and that is working so well because no external pollution is being done. Everything is self-clean, and in this way we should clean our mind, body and soul, and whatever work we do, we should be very dedicated and proceed in that way only. Because you are locked up in home, this is very important. You become self-disciplined. The nature is self-cleaning and you need to be self-disciplined to do your studies, your daily routine works. With these words, I start. Today I have decided to take a quiz to ensure that whatever is being taught from this platform is that learning has taken place. Okay, so all of you, please just to recall whatever concepts we have given you from this platform, that you please recall so that you are able to answer the quiz questions. Please recall, I give you few minutes, and after few minutes we will see the slides on the screen and you will answer me the questions, and whoever answers the question first, I will announce that name. Please write your name along with your Vidyalaya name and the right answer in the chat box so that I can read out your name. I give you a few minutes. I find students are joining. Gaurav Yadav, Aditi Mathur, Nitin Yadav. Thank you. You are joining. Okay, so I will start with the quiz, algebra quiz. We have done two chapters, that is your polynomials and the linear equations in two variables. We haven't yet finished the topic of linear equations in two variables, but whatever concepts we have grasped so far, I have prepared my quiz based on that concepts only. So you very simple level 1 type questions are there in the quiz that will only ensure whether you are able to understand, you are grasping the concepts at your end or not. I mean, the effective study is going on that will motivate me, and then we will continue. So, yes, my dear students, I hope you are able to understand that I am going to start the quiz, and the quiz is based on algebra. In algebra, there are four chapters: polynomials, then you have linear equation in two variables that we are doing right now, then quadratic equation, and the fourth one is AP. So far, we have completed the first one, and the second one we are about to finish. We have done about 70-80% of that chapter, and based on that, this quiz has been prepared for you. This is the quiz of algebra, and here comes the rules. I read out the rules for you. Please note it down. There are 10 questions of 2 marks each. Note down your score after attempting all the questions. Along with that, I request you to write down the questions also, because after I finish the quiz, I will discuss those questions. Okay. So this question will help you in your multiple choice questions in your examination. So note down the questions for your future reference and the marks that can be used by your teachers as your assessment, because there are marks for multiple assessments. For each chapter we need to do some assessment. This is your assessment 1 from chapter number 2 and 3. 2 marks for each question, and there we have 10 questions. Please write your answers in the live chat section. Write your name as well as name of your KV along with the answer. The name of the student who gives the correct answer first will be announced. So these are the rules. Now here comes the first question on your screen, please. Okay, please read it and note it down. Please read it and note it down. Please note down the question. Okay, the first question. If the value of x in the equation x plus 2y equal to 10 is minus 2, then the value of y will be, this is a multiple choice question, A, B, C and D. Write down the right option and the value of y. Okay, right answers are coming. Right answer is coming. The right answer is the C part, that is 6. Many of you have given the right answer. This is 6. Okay. Now the second question on your screen. Yes, many right answers has come. Priya, Pushpa, Anil, Prem, all of you have given this right answer. Now the second question, the graph of y equal to 1 is a line parallel to which axis? X, y passes through origin or none of this? Yes. Now this is, the screen has the question. The graph of y equal to 1 is a line parallel to. Yes, the right answers are coming. It is x-axis. Answer given by Ansh Kashyap, Shudhindu Singh, Kiran. All of you have given the right answer. In fact, this question is from your ninth class. Y equal to 1 is a line parallel to x-axis. Very good. Now we move to the third question. Here goes the third question on screen. If the system of equations 6x minus 2y equal to 3 and kx minus y equal to 2 has unique solution, then find the value of k. Okay, then k is equal to, there are 4 multiple choices are there. You give the right answer quickly. Okay. Yes, give me the right answer for the third question. A, B, C, which choice? And at the same time, please note down the question also for your ready reference. Okay, the answer, I haven't yet got any right answer. I don't know why. No right answer has come yet. All the previous questions answer I am getting now. Yes, yes, yes. Now the questions are coming. No right answer yet. This is your, yes. Gautam Thakur has given the right answer, that is C part. C part is the right answer. We will discuss it. Why C part is the right answer. Gautam Thakur has given the right answer. Then let me check if there is, yes, Arun Kumar again, one right answer from Arun Kumar. And Sujit also has given the right answer. Sujit, your answer is right. Okay. Now let us go to the fourth question. Next question. Question number 4 on your screen. The value of k for which equations kx minus 3y equal to 2 and 6x minus 2y equal to 3 has unique solution. You have to use the condition for unique solution. We have talked about unique solution in our class. You apply your knowledge, the condition on the coefficients of x and y for unique solution, and from there you will get the value of k. So for fourth question, no right answer as of yet. This is the fourth question. The right answer is going to be no right answer as of yet. Okay, I think this is the right answer has been given by Devendra Kumar Singh and Pragya Mishra. They have given the right answer. Then Vishnu has given the right answer. Raj Lakshmi. Okay, some answers, right answers has come. Okay, Prem Lata Jha has given the right answer. Also Gunjan Bisht. Okay, so the right answer is your the right answer for fourth question is B part, that is k not equal to 9. K not equal to 9. We will check why the answer is B part. We will discuss it. Now the interesting question, the fifth question on the screen. I want a very quick answer to this question. You can see 4 different graphs are placed on the screen, and you have to say which of the following is not the graph of a quadratic polynomial. I have discussed with you the graph of polynomial, quadratic polynomial, linear polynomials, and we have talked about a very whole class I have taken on activity that is about the graphs. So please recall it and say which one is minded, not the graph of a quadratic polynomial. Okay, not the graph of a quadratic polynomial. This is your fifth question. Fifth question, yes, I think the right answers are coming. That is your D part is the right answer. That is one. Rest A, B, C are all parabola and they have 2 zeros. They all are the graph of quadratic polynomial. While D part is different, you can see it has crossed the x-axis 3 times, and this is the graph of a cubic polynomial. So this is one, D part is not the graph of a quadratic polynomial. Now the sixth question on your screen. The product of zeros of minus 2x square plus kx plus 6 is product of zeros. This is the question from your polynomials chapter. We have talked about sum of zeros and product of zeros from the coefficients of the polynomial. Coefficients of the polynomials, you can find out A, B, C like that, and you recall your knowledge for sum of zeros and product of zeros, and give me the right answer for question number 6. For question number 6. I think I have got the right answer. This is from Prem. Prem has given me the right answer. That is Product of zeros is minus 3. A part is the right answer. A part is minus 3. Smita has given me the right answer. Yes, right answer from Himanshu Yadav, Parveen Thakur. Okay. Now, the seventh question on your screen. Sum of zeros of quadratic polynomial px equal to minus 3x squared plus k is sum of zeros. Now same, the previous question was product of zeros and this is a question based on sum of zeros of quadratic polynomial. Sum of zeros of quadratic polynomial. Sum of zeros of quadratic polynomial. From you can find it out by comparing the coefficients. From the coefficients we can predict the coefficients. They act as some horoscopes. They can predict the sum of zeros, product of zeros, and in case of linear equation also they help us to find out whether the graph is going to be a unique one or parallel lines. So this information we can get from the coefficients. So I am waiting for the right answer of the seventh question. Seventh question, yes, right answer has been coming. Pragya Mishra, Neelam Rani has given me the right answer. D part is the right answer, that it is 0. Satyabrata Sahu, you have given me the right answer, thank you. And Ram Nivas Meena, Madhu Sharma, okay. Sudhanshu Roy, you have written option A is the right answer, but that is wrong. Wrong, that is okay. The right answer is D part. Now the eighth question on your screen. Yes, a polynomial of the form 2x raised to the power 5, 4x cubed plus 5x square minus 3x plus 2 has at most how many zeros? At most means maximum number of zeros possible. The maximum possible zeros of this polynomial. Okay, at most, this word is very important. We will be using it in the topic of probability that we'll be doing in this class. We have a topic probability. There also we come across this word at most, at the most, at least. Okay, at most means maximum. So maximum number of zeros possible for this polynomial. Give me the right answer. This is a very simple question. I am waiting for your answer. Eighth question. Please write down the question number also so that I am able to understand, because if you don't write question number just from your answers, I am not able to figure out which question you are answering. Yes, Jyotiraditya Swan Savan, you have given me the right answer. That is 5 zeros. B part is the right answer. That is your 5 zeros. Absolutely correct. Also, Lakshit Goel has given the right answer. 5 zeros. They have clearly written it. And the right answer from Samarshi Sunil. Okay, okay. Thank you, thank you. And okay, now the ninth question. Ninth question. So this is almost half an hour. Another half an hour we will discuss these questions. Now, ninth question on your screen. If alpha and beta are zeros of polynomial x square minus 5x plus 6, what is the value of alpha and beta? What is the value of alpha plus beta? Alpha and beta are zeros of polynomial x square minus 5x plus 6. What is the value of alpha plus beta? See, the previous question we have used the word sum of zeros. Now the question has been put up in a different manner. It is saying that alpha and beta are zeros of the polynomial. What is the value of alpha plus beta? Okay. So the ninth question, give me the answer. Alpha plus beta is equal to, yes, yes, yes. Right questions are coming. Right questions are coming from Vinita Saxena, Anil Kumar, Shubhendu Singh. They all have written alpha plus beta is equal to 5. That is the correct answer. Some of you are writing minus 5. That is wrong. I will explain why this is plus 5 and not minus 5. Okay, again Sajid, you have written minus 5. That is wrong. Minus 5 is wrong. One of you have written minus 1 by 6. That is wrong. Okay. Surendra Kumar and Manoj Singh, all of you are giving me the right answer. Now the last question on the screen. If the system of equations 5x plus ky equal to minus 7 and x plus 2y equal to 3 is inconsistent, mind the word inconsistent. Yesterday also we have talked about consistent and inconsistent. These were the key words of yesterday's class, consistent and inconsistent. Now, if the system of equations this is inconsistent, then the value of k will be, final question, question number 10. Give me the right answer. The question is on your screen. Yes, I think Ansh Kashyap has given me the right answer. That is B part. B part is the right answer. K equal to 10. Option B is the right answer. That is given by Jyotiraditya. That is right answer. Manoj Kashyap also given me the right answer. Very clearly written, Manoj. Thank you. Question number 10. B part is the right answer. Jahangir Alam has given me the right answer. And Hari Singh Bisht, Arun Kumar, all of you are getting the right answer. Thank you so much. So here we come to the end of this quiz, and now we will discuss the answers, the solution we will discuss. Now this is the key. Please note down the answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 so that when we discuss it on the board, I hope you have written down the questions also. Answers key is also with you. Please note down the answers, and now we will discuss how we have obtained these answers. Get ready, all of you. I give you a few minutes. Please note down the answers. Okay, now I hope you have written down the answer. Now let me discuss the answers. Yes, I am getting my screen ready. Please, all of you, it will take few minutes. Please, I am ready. Okay, yes, class. I hope you enjoyed the quiz. Let me know through this chat box whether you are happy with this type of quiz or not, so that I will prepare some more in future. Okay, okay. I find you are enjoying it. So now it's time we will quickly discuss, have a look, and we will discuss the answers of the quiz. So this is a quiz questions discussion. We are going to do question number 1. Board is visible to you. Please let me know. Question number 1. Yes. Okay. So question number 1. If the value of x in the equation x plus 2y equal to 10 and value of x in the equation x is equal to minus 2, it is given to you. If the value of x in the equation this is minus 2, then what is the value of y, they have asked. Okay, please read it. Sometimes you are not able to understand the language of the question. What is minus 2? You are not able to understand, and therefore you are not answering the question right. Okay, so what we do, this is the equation and the value of x is given to you as minus 2. So we need to find the value of y. This is my question. So the equation is like this: x plus 2y minus 10 is equal to 10. So x, this value is minus 2 plus 2 into y equal to 10. When you substitute this value of x in this equation, this plus 2y is equal to 10. Okay. Now you solve it. You know how to solve it. 2y is equal to 10 plus 2. Therefore, y is equal to 12 upon 2. 12 upon 2, that is equal to 6. So your first question, the right answer, you see, that is your C part, that is 6. Now you check it. Question number 1, your right answer is C part, that is 6. Question number 1. You check it from your answer key. Now question number 2, it is like the graph of y equal to 1 is a line parallel to x-axis, y-axis, it passes through origin or none of this. So for this, let us draw the Cartesian plane. It is like this. This point is your origin, okay? The coordinate of the origin is 0, 0. This is also often asked in the exam. This is from where the axis or everything is originating. So this point is your origin. Now this is the y-axis, positive y-axis, 1, 2, 3, you are moving up. When you are coming down, this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, like this. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 2, 3, 4, and this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, like this. So if it is y equal to 1, this is this point, and y equal to 1, that means y plus, this is an equation in one variable, but if you want to write it in the form of two variable, then you will write y plus 0x equal to 1. This is an equation in one variable is y, but if you are asked to write it in the form of two variables, then you have to bring x, and at the same time you don't want x to have any value, so the coefficient of x is 0x, so this term will go to 0 and this will remain y equal to 1. Okay, now if you put for any value of x, you will get y equal to 1, because coefficient of x is multiplied with 0. So if you take x equal to 1, then also your y equal to 1. If you take x equal to 2, 2 into 0 is 0, still you will have y equal to 1. If you take x equal to 3, still your y equal to 1. So x equal to 1, y equal to 1 is this point. Then x equal to 2, y equal to 1 is this point. X equal to 3, y equal to 1 is this point. In this way, you are going to get a line like this. And this line is parallel to your x-axis. This line is parallel to x-axis. So y equal to 1, this is parallel to x-axis. This is, please note it down, parallel to x-axis. Okay. Similarly, so your right answer is question number 2. The right answer is A part, that is x-axis. A part, that is x-axis. Now, if I give you one equation, say y equal to minus 3. Y equal to minus 3 is this point. So y equal to minus 3 is a line which is parallel to x-axis and at a distance of 3 units from the x-axis. Now, if I make the question like x equal to minus 3, then where is x equal to minus 3? This is minus 1, this is minus 2, and this one is your minus 3. So, this line x equal to minus 3 will be a vertical line like this. This x equal to minus 3 is parallel to y-axis. Okay, so this is a linear equation in one variable. If we write it in the form of two variables, then this equation will be x plus 0 into y equal to minus 3. So for whatever value of y, x is always equal to minus 3. So this is a straight line which is parallel to y-axis. Okay. So this is y equal to, this is parallel to x. For this x equal to this is parallel to y-axis. And for any equation like y equal to 2, 3, that will be parallel to x-axis. So in this way, question number 2, the right answer was A part, that is x-axis. Now the third question. The third question is, if the system of equation, question number 3, that is your 6x minus 2y equal to 3, and another is your kx minus y equal to 2, has unique solution. This is given to you that it is having unique solution, then find the value of k. For unique solution, you have learned the condition is a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. Now this equation, if you compare it from the standard form, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So your a1 is equal to 6 and a2 is equal to k. This should not be equal to b1. b1 is your minus 2 and b2 is equal to minus 1. b2 equal to minus 1. Okay. So minus minus gets cancelled. If you do the cross multiplication, then 6 is not equal to 2k. See, 6 into 1 is 6 and k into 2 is 2k. This is not equal to 2k. Therefore, your k is not equal to 6 upon 2, that is 3. So, k is not equal to 3, that is the right answer. That is C part is your right answer. For third question, C part, k not equal to 3 is the right answer. So this is the third question. Please note it down. These are the two equations. You have got A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. Because it is unique solution, nothing to do with C1, C2. A1, A2, 6 upon K, B1, B2, minus 2, minus 1. Minus minus gets cancelled, and after doing the cross multiplication, you get K equal to 6 upon 2, that is 3. So K is not equal to 3. Now the fourth question. Question number 4. Question number 4 is the value of k for which the equations kx minus y equal to 2, another one is your 6x minus 2y equal to 3 has unique solution. Question number 3. There is again, I think this question has been repeated. This is the same question. Okay, question number 3 and 4 are the same question. Sorry, this is the same question has been repeated. Again, the answer is k not equal to 3 or B part. Or there is some mistake. I have changed some value. I am not having the question with me. There is okay. I think I'm not. I have to go to the slide. In this piece of paper I have written question number 4, that is I'm not having the exact value what is there in the slide. Anyway, this is the same question like this, unique solution. I'm not having, there is, I think it was 3 or 4 something, so you can do it. So just like question number 3, that is in the slide I made some change and in the paper it is written something else. So please, question number 3, and then let us go to question number 5. Question number 5. Which of the following is not the graph of a quadratic polynomial? See, linear equation, in case of linear equations, the graph is that of a straight line. And for quadratic equation, the graphs are of parabola. This is a parabola which is not cutting the x-axis. So this type of parabola you get for quadratic equations. Also, your parabola can be like this. Okay, this type of graphs we have already talked about, and we have also discussed the number of zeros. Because this parabola is not intersecting the x-axis at all, so the number of zeros in this case is nil, no zeros. Now here the graph is intersecting x-axis at two different points, so the number of zero is 2. And if a parabola and you have no parabola is the graph you get when you plot the points of a quadratic polynomial. This parabola touches the x-axis at one point, so this is your 1 0 is possible. Okay, now the graph in the slide, there was one graph like this. So this is the graph of this is not a parabola, this is one upside parabola, one downside parabola merged together. So this is the graph of a cubic polynomial, a 3-degree polynomial. When you plot, you get this type of a graph. And 3-degree polynomial, you know, the maximum number of possible zeros will be 3 for a cubic polynomial. So for the fourth question, I left it for you. Question number 5. The right answer is D part. D part is not the graph of a quadratic polynomial. Now we will discuss question number 6. Question number 6 is the product of zeros of this polynomial. Minus of 2x square plus kx plus 6 is what? The product of zeros. This is the question from your chapter of polynomials. Product of zeros means P is equal to minus of C by A. Product of zeros. Sum of zeros is minus of B by A. Sorry, product of zeros is C by A. Product of zeros is C by A. So this is 6 upon minus 2. So answer will be minus 3 is the right answer. Question number 6, minus 3, that is your A part. Minus 3 is the right answer. Product is equal to C by A. From the coefficient, this is A, this is B, and this is C. So product is C by A. 6 by minus 2, that is minus 3. If you are asked sum, though sum is not being asked, but let us discuss what is the sum of the roots, sum of the zeros, that is minus of b by a. So minus of b is your k, and a is your minus 2, minus minus gets cancelled, so sum will be k by 2. Now in this question product has been asked, so this is c by a, answer is minus 3. Question number 6. Question number 7. Question number 7 is sum of zeros of the quadratic polynomial minus of 3x square plus k. Minus of 3x square plus k is sum of zeros. So sum, as I have explained in this also, is equal to minus of b upon a. Now minus of what is b? There is no this standard form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c, where a should not be equal to 0. So the coefficient of x square is your a, coefficient of x, that is the variable with power 1, is your b, and the constant is c. So in this case your a is minus 3 and b is 0. You write down this, because this is the standard form, you write down a equal to minus 3, b equal to 0, because there is no term with variable of power 1. So b equal to 0 and c is equal to k. This is how you write it down. At least you identify a, b and c. That will also give you some credit points in the exam. So minus of b is 0 and a is minus 3. This gives you the answer, sum of roots is 0. So answer to question number 7 is D part. Question number 7, answer is D part, that is 0. Question number 8. Question number 8. A polynomial of the form, it was something like your 2x raised to the power 5, then something 3x raised to the power 4, something like this. Okay. Now, so the maximum power of the variable is 5. Maximum power of the variable is 5. So at the most, that is maximum number of zeros possible will be 5, because maximum power for the cubic equation, the number of zeros, maximum number of zeros possible is 3. For quadratic polynomial, degree is 2, maximum number of possible zeros are 2. And because here the degree is 5, maximum number of possible zeros will be 5. So question number 8, your right answer is B part, that is 5 zeros. B part, that is 5 zeros. Okay. Question number 9. Question number 9 is, if alpha and beta are zeros of the polynomial x square minus of 5x plus 6, then what is the value of alpha plus beta? Alpha and beta are the zeros of this polynomial, and you have to find the value of alpha plus beta. That is, actually they are asking about the sum of zeros. Just now we have done one question like find the sum of zeros. There was one question like find the product of zeros. So here we are asked, see the two different languages they have asked you. Previously they have asked you directly to find the sum of zeros. Now the question is put up in a different manner. Alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial. You are asked to find the value of alpha plus beta. That is, they are asking you about the sum of the zeros. So alpha plus beta is equal to minus of b upon a. Okay. So minus of b upon a. Okay class, ma'am, please take quiz tomorrow also. So you people have enjoyed the quiz. Please let me know through your chat box. It will be amazing If I am able to satisfy you, if the learning from this platform is effective, then I will be elated. One of you have written, ma'am, please take quiz tomorrow. Fine. Okay. So don't make misuse of this chat box. Please give me some genuine requirement. Any concepts is not clear to you. If you want to revise any topic, let me know through this chat box. Okay. So, okay, let me finish it off quickly. It's another 5-10 minutes are there. Okay, minus of b, that is minus of b. This coefficient a equal to, I have asked you to write down identify the coefficients a equal to 1 and b equal to -5. Follow the steps, then you will get marks. You will be able to score good marks. Even if you make some calculation mistakes, but if you write it down in this manner, looking at these things, because you have identified a, b and c properly, you get some credit points. Okay, so minus of b by a, minus of b, what is b? If b is your -5, this minus is along with the formula, and b, what is the value of b? Value of b is -5. So this is minus of -5 upon a is your 1. So this is equal to 5. So your answer, alpha plus beta, the ninth question, your answer is your alpha plus beta equal to 5. It was not a multiple choice question. You were supposed to write the answer alpha plus beta. Now the last question, question number 10. Question number 10 is, if the system of equation 5x plus ky equal to -7 and x plus 2y equal to 3 is inconsistent, this word is new to you. We have come across this word only yesterday. Inconsistent. Okay, inconsistent, another name is no solution, and the graph parallel line, and the graph is of parallel line. So inconsistent means no solution, the graph looks like parallel line, and condition for inconsistent, that is your a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. Now what is a1 upon a2? That is 5 upon 1 equal to k upon 2. This is not equal to minus of 7 upon 3. Now we need to find the value of k. So we just remain in this part of the equation. K is not equal to some value you will be getting if you compare these two parts, but that is not of use. What is the value of k? The specific value. K is not equal to 3 means k can be anything except 3. But if you get the value like k equal to 5, k equal to 4, that gives you the specific answer. So we go and compare this part, and by cross multiplication you get k is equal to 10. So your answer is k equal to 10. So the 10th part, your answer is k equal to 10. So once again class, please, this question, because right now we are doing this linear equations, this is inconsistent means no solution. No solution means the two lines, they are like parallel lines. They are moving on their own path. They are not friend at all. They will never agree to each other. So they don't come to a solution. That is parallel line. And by comparing the coefficients, how you just get the idea that this is a parallel line? By solving this, comparing the coefficients. And if you put the values, coefficients, this and this, if you compare from this part, you solve it by cross multiplication, you get k equal to 10. Okay, now एक्सप्लोरिंग इंडिया SST क्लास कितने बजे है? SST class, you must have a look into the timetable. Virender, you are asking this question. Right now you are doing maths and you go through the timetables so that you come to know when your social science period is. I am not Vipin, I am Vaishnavi. Okay, I'm sorry. Thank you, Rajalakshmi. You have written, ma'am, your teaching is good. Thank you. I will also try to improve nowadays because of this online teaching. From the morning we start praying this platform should go on well. I should get the data and connections will be right so that I am able to start my class in time. Okay, my dear student, now the final message. Today is Earth Day. We started with a small message. Please remember it throughout the day and plan something how you can contribute to this planet of Earth. Though if we all do some very small things, then also we will be able to contribute to a large extent. It's not that we have to contribute a lot. I single cannot do anything. You can write article, you can do anything, many small things you can contribute. You can educate your kids, your siblings in this way. You can definitely will be able to definitely contribute to this, and you read some more articles, and many competitions are going on, online quiz, some competitions, drawing competitions. You participate in those because you have a lot of time. Don't waste your time and win some exciting prizes by participating in all those competitions. And with this, we come to an end to this class, and tomorrow we will meet again at 12 and we will continue with linear equations in two variables. You let me know, I will go through the chat box if you have any difficulty in any point so that my teaching is effective one. You should enjoy it. It should not be boring. From that point of view, please let me know. You are saying Happy Earth Day, Pragya. Thank you. Happy Earth Day to you. Thank you, ma'am. Quiz was exhilarating. You have enjoyed it. Thank you. So every time I will try to prepare. I will have to do some homework from my point of view. Doesn't matter. I will definitely do that, and I will prepare quiz so that you people are doing, you do some maths and you just don't do it, you enjoy your subject of maths. That's what I want from you, my dear students. Love the subject because this is a very good one. This will definitely help you in your future. At least 9th and 10th class maths is very, very important. Throughout your life you need to recall or apply this in your life. With this, thank you very much. Bye. We'll meet tomorrow. Stay safe. Stay in.